Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Big Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question. The question is: Hi, I had just launched a new campaign with Manual CPC, but there is no maximum CPC column on the ad group and keyword level anymore. Does anybody know what's going on? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna tell you what exactly. This is one of the sample ads page. Okay, and people often have question regarding I can't see this thing, I can't see this thing. So the best way is optimize the column, and there is whenever you move to your campaign tab or ads tab, you can see the column tab over here, and when you press it, you can select the things you want to be shown over here. You can drag and drop over here as well. For instance, if I want to add the cost per conversion value, I'm going to select it over here as well. And for instance, in my performance, I'm gonna see the click, so I'm gonna select it and add it over here as well. So whatever is missing, I can simply add it through over here as well. I can also create a custom column as well. Okay, this also applies to even to the main page as well, or even to the account page as well. Even if I open the account page, I can see over here, this is one of the samples account page over here. You can see. Okay, now what happens is you can even manage that as well. You can even look around everything over here. You can even optimize over here. You can see everything over here. And if I move to you know the campaigns type over here, let's say if I move to the campaign type over here, you can see over here the column may is appearing again on the campaign page, so not on the account page but on the campaign page. So I can modify my column and I can select anything I wanted to be added over here. So that is how we can adjust number of eligible ads, number of disapproved, approved keywords, or whatever my goals are. I can simply select it and add it from over here, and then it will be shown on my campaign dashboard page over here as well. You can see, and then I can see the cost per conversion, average CPC, whatever whatever is shown over here, it can be shown over here easily through this. So I hope this answers the question. And guys, if you're looking for a professional help with Google Ads campaign, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to hire us and start working with us. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.